Ever feel like breakfast is sabotaging your weight loss goals? I used to struggle with finding the right balance, something that was quick, healthy, and actually helped me lose weight. Well, after trying a million different breakfasts, I finally found 3 powerful recipes that not only keep me full, but have helped me lose weight faster than I ever thought possible. So today, I'm sharing those with you. First, let me tell you about this protein-packed smoothie. I'm not a morning person, and there was a time when I'd skip breakfast altogether or grab something unhealthy. But then I discovered this smoothie. It's become my go-to because it's quick and easy, and I can take it with me on busy mornings. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of almond milk, 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a banana, and a handful of spinach. I'll be honest, at first I didn't think this would keep me full, but after a few days of drinking it, I was amazed. The protein keeps me energized, the chia seeds are packed with fiber, and the banana gives just the right amount of sweetness. It literally takes 2 minutes to make and keeps me full until lunchtime. If you're always rushing in the morning like I was, this is going to be a game changer for you. Now, if you're more of a savory breakfast person like I am on weekends, you're going to love this veggie omelette. I used to think omelets were only for fancy brunches, but this recipe is so simple that I make it on any morning I want something warm and hearty. Here's what you'll need. 3 egg whites, 1 whole egg, a handful of chopped spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers, and salt and pepper to taste. I remember the first time I made this omelet, I was surprised by how filling it was without being heavy. The mix of veggies keeps the calorie count low, but the flavor high. Plus, the protein from the egg whites gives you that perfect balance of nutrients to fuel your day without feeling sluggish. Trust me, after trying this once, it quickly became my favorite way to start the weekend. Recipe 3. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Finally, if you've got a sweet tooth like I do, you'll love this Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. There was a time when I'd crave sugary cereals or pastries in the morning, and I couldn't figure out why my energy levels were crashing. Then I switched to this Greek yogurt bowl, and it was a total game changer. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a handful of mixed berries like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, and 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds or walnuts. Not only is Greek yogurt high in protein, which helps keep cravings at bay, but the berries add a natural sweetness and are packed with antioxidants. The nuts give you healthy fats and a crunch that makes it feel like a treat. I started making this, and not only did it help curb my sweet cravings, but I also noticed my energy lasted so much longer throughout the day. It's perfect for a quick, refreshing breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually super healthy. And there you have it. 3 breakfast recipes that have transformed my mornings and helped me lose weight along the way. I never thought I'd enjoy breakfast this much, or that it could make such a difference in how I feel and look. Which recipe are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss more easy, healthy tips for your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.